Hello and welcome to Robot Framework Tutorial Level 1 Introduction. You have made a great choice choosing this course because it's by far the fastest way to learn the robot framework. Today I will take you through what is a test automation framework and robot framework overview, its history, features and capabilities, difference between robot framework versus Selenium. First thing we talk about language. Okay, in the test automation framework, first we talk about language that you can write your tests and that gives ability to write your test scripts. And you also want a reusable page entity objects uh, so that you don't have to keep writing the scripts again and again. You want some supporting libraries and you want to have the ability to integrate with the continuous integration so that somebody uh, kick off the build and then deploy to the server and it runs the test automatically. Okay, so this is all about the test framework. So now why I am talking about the test framework here is mostly people continue to build the test framework from scratch, but here in the robot framework it does all of those things right out of the box. So you can install it in about 20 minutes and be up and running and ready to use all these features immediately. It is definitely the fastest and easiest to learn test automation framework out there. And what's even better is that it is open source and free. And now coming to its history, um, robot framework has fairly interesting origin in history. Back in 2005, it is developed in Finland. 1.0 version developed at Nokia Siemens Network, and in 2008, 2.0 released as an open source so that we can use it for free. Coming to its features, uh, robot framework has a lot of features and capabilities. First thing I can talk about is a cross platform. You can install it and use it um, on Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. And it is a keyword driven framework with data driven capabilities. Keywords allow you to create your test in English or German, whatever language you want to. And robot framework scripts are going to depend upon libraries. So libraries we have, if you see, we have built-in libraries and external libraries. We talk more on these libraries in our upcoming sessions. Now we just concentrate on robot versus selenium. So what exactly the difference? A question come up a lot when I talk about a robot framework is, why should I use a robot framework versus selenium? Well, it is not valid question because robot framework in a sense is selenium because it's an abstraction layer or a wrapper on the top of the selenium. You can see here that I have this in the script. I mean, like script dot robo here, and um, and it is capable of interacting with any libraries you want, the Selenium or Appium or whatever library you want it. You can install it and use it. So in that way, it's a kind of an abstract layer for the Selenium. Okay, and moving on to um, is there anything? Okay, so see you in the next session. In the next session, we just talk about the installation overview and preconditions, and we create the first script and what are the running options for those scripts, and how we use a variables, and how we create the test suite and how we run it, and then how we generate the test results. Thank you. See you in the next session.